Welcome to the Blue Lagoon, located on the east coast of Bali, Indonesia, a hidden paradise beneath the surface of the crystal clear waters. As we dive in and begin our snorkeling adventure, we are greeted by a vibrant array of marine life and colorful coral reefs. First, we come across a variety of coral reef fish, swimming gracefully among the coral. Their bright hues of red, pink, and purple stand out against the backdrop of the coral, creating a mesmerizing display of color. We can see different types of fish like angelfish, parrotfish, and butterfly fish, each with their unique patterns and colors. Continuing our journey, we come across a beautiful sea turtle swimming gracefully through the water. These ancient creatures have been swimming the seas for more than 100 million years, and it is a truly humbling experience to witness one in its natural habitat. Scuba divers can also be seen exploring the depths of the lagoon, marveling at the beauty of the underwater world. As we come to the end of our snorkeling adventure, we are reminded of the importance of preserving these precious underwater worlds for future generations to enjoy. The Blue Lagoon in Bali is a true gem and a must-see destination for anyone interested in the natural beauty of our planet.